Okay, so let's get started. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. This is me without my makeup, with my glasses on. If you are new here, please stay here and subscribe to my channel. And if you are my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So yeah, today I'm going to do this look. Very simple, very easy, appropriate for summer daytime. If you're going outside, or in your class or your work, or even you're going for a day out, this look is perfect for you. Very lightweight, very simple, and you're not gonna sweat. And please check the description box below. I have put all the link and the product details there, so please don't forget to check that out. So just removing my glasses because you can't do makeup with your glasses on, right? First I'm going to apply a moisturizer. This is my favorite Garnier Moisture Bomb. I have talked about this moisturizer in my previous video. Please check that out. And I'm applying this all over on my face. This moisturizer will give you hydration as well as it will not make you oily, and this moisturizer is also protect you from the pollution, so it's perfect for daytime. It's a day cream actually. Then I'm going to apply a sunscreen. First you need to apply moisturizer, then you need to apply sunscreen. Okay, so here I'm using my another favorite, which is from Superdrug, and this is the Soleil face fluid, and this has 50 plus SPF, which is great for summer day. And it's a matte moisturizer, and it is an anti-aging moisturizer, so if your age is up to 20, you can use this one. So yeah, I'm applying this all over on my face and my neck area as well. Today I'm not going to use any foundation or any concealer because I want to make my base very lightweight. So this is Neutrogena CC cream, and CC cream is also cover up your imperfection, but the problem is this is very light for me because they have only one shade light. So I'm going to mix a little bit MUA darkening shade. This is the darkening one, so it will make anything little bit dark or one or two shade dark. As you can see, it's dark brown shade. They have the lightening one as well. If you buy mistakenly the dark foundation, you can mix one or two drop the lightening one and you can get your perfect foundation shade. But today I'm using the dark one, but if your skin tone is lighter than me, you can just use the light one. You don't need to mix anything. Or if you don't have this MUA one, you can just use one or two drop dark concealer or dark foundation. So I'm applying this all over on my face, and I am just using my hand to blend this CC cream. What CC cream will do, CC cream will give you a little bit more coverage than the BB cream, so that's why I'm using a CC cream. As you can see, the coverage, it's covering my all the imperfection. It will not giving you a full coverage, but it will give you a decent coverage, which I really like. So after blending this CC cream all over on my face, I am going to dab a damp sponge. This is the sponge from Sephora pack. They're very good. They're kind of like beauty blender but in a sponge shape, and it's a damp sponge, and I'm just dabbing this all over on my face so I can get a even smooth finish. And now I'm going to apply a powder. In a summertime, you have to apply a powder to set your concealer, BB cream, CC cream or anything. Here I am using a translucent powder. It looks very white, but it will not give you any white cast. This is the MUA translucent setting powder, and this is perfect for oily skin type, and I'm using my MAC powder brush for this. You can use any powder brush. Just apply this on over on your face and your neck area as well. I'm not gonna draw my eyebrow today because I have tinted my eyebrow with this Maybelline brow tattoo tint, and this is the dark brown one. In a busy day, when you're gonna draw your eyebrow, it's gonna take a while, so that's why it will save you some time. And this tint lasts on you for 3 days. But I'm just applying a brow mascara. This is the Maybelline brow mascara, and the shade is dark brown, and I am just applying this on my brow, so my brow will set all day long. Okay, for the contouring, I'm going to use a NYX contour kit. I know for everyday look, sometimes contouring is too much for some people, but for me, I have a very big round face, but I'm not going to do a harsh contouring. So here I'm taking the lightest brown shade from this NYX palette, and I'm just contouring my face, not too much, just to give my face a definition. And here I'm using MAC angle brush for contouring. I'm contouring my cheek area, my nose, my forehead and my jawline. But if you have a perfectly alright face shape, you don't need to contour, or if you don't want to contour, you can totally skip this part. Now I'm going to show you a small trick. This is the brush switcher. This is very cheap. What you need to do to remove the color from the brush, all you have to do is glide the brush around the sponge few times, and as you can see, the color is gone. So you don't need like hundreds brush for your makeup. So here I'm taking a blush from Maybelline blush palette, and I'm using same brush for my blush, and I'm applying this light pink blush on my cheek area. See, I'm using the same brush. And I'm going to do the same thing to apply my highlighter with the same brush. You can actually turn over the sponge, and you will get a new sponge. It's very, very handy. And I'm applying the highlighter from the same Maybelline palette. If you think that your highlighter is too much, just take your damp sponge and just dab it on your highlighter, so it will look very, very natural, not like a streaky highlighter. And now I am going to do a wing liner. I'm going to do a very small wing today, not very dramatic, very simple. And for this I'm using my Maybelline Master Ink matte waterproof eyeliner. It's a very long name, but it's a matte and it's waterproof and it's black. What else do you need, right? It's very difficult for me doing my wings without my glasses, and I can't put glasses on to do my wings, right? Oh god, I'm such a blind. Anyway, I have done the second wing as well, and now I'm going to curl my eyelashes few times. This is my everyday routine. I do this every single day because my lashes are quite straight. And now I'm going to apply a few coats of mascara. Make sure your mascara is waterproof. This is the Maybelline Sensational Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascara for summertime, and I'm applying a few coat on the lower lashes as well. And here I am gonna apply a nude pencil on my waterline. I'm really sorry I don't have the footage where I was applying that nude pencil, but yeah, I applied. And now I am going to apply a pink nude color. This is the Maybelline Superstay matte lipstick, and the number is 15, and I am applying this on my lips. Now I'm going to spray a setting spray. This is the Barry matte setting spray. I love everything in matte when it's summertime, and I'm applying this all over on my face so my makeup stay all day long. Okay, now I'm going to show another tips. This is a blotting paper from MUA. You need to carry this one every single day when you're going outside. Whenever you feel that your face is getting sweaty, just take one sheet from this pack and just dab it on your face. Don't rub it, just dab it. You can have 50 sheets from this packet, so you can use this 50 times. Anyway, here my makeup is done. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Please do that. And yeah, you can follow me on all of my social medias, which are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. And see you all in my next tutorial. Until then, bye bye.